Before we get into the main video, I wanted to do a quick demonstration of this product that Auxbeam sent along with the grill. And it is basically, I believe it's also LED, a flash beacon for, you know, certain situations, maybe if you are some sort of emergency personnel or something like that. But anyway, here's the box, and it is not at all expensive. The link will be in the description, and then the next scene that I show will be it installed on the top of my truck. It does plug into your 12-volt adapter or cigarette lighter. Pretty simple, not much to it. So I'll show you what it looks like as the sun's going down. All right, there it is installed. It's got a real thick magnet on the bottom, and it'll definitely stick to metal. And the more that I think about this, probably anybody could really use it, you know, for the very low price. You could throw it in the trunk. You have an emergency, roadside emergency at night. You could use it maybe at a car show if you want a little more attention. But either way, if you're prone to seizures, I probably wouldn't stare at it too long. It is LED, so link in the description. Now on to the main part of the video. Hey everybody, welcome back. This week I got another video. This is Dale's newer Jeep. Dale, you want to tell us about it?
Yeah, I will, Mike. This is my 1999 TJ. Bought this about 5 months ago for my son, which is in college at this time. Been doing a lot of work to it. Unfortunately, Mike hasn't been around to videotape the work, like front bumper, the lights, the winch, lift up license plate, trick.
Parts are falling off of it.
Nuts are falling off of it. Got a tire carrier in the back, swing away. It was previously lifted with the wheels and tires on it, 5-inch lift. Just been doing a little work on it here and there. That's about it.
Let's take a look at the inside. You bought it pretty much just as is. Did you do the CB?
I've installed the CB for him. It's got a stereo in a lockbox in the center. The lockbox was there. Put the hand grips on. Just slowly but surely fixing it up.
Very nice. What are these, 35s?
35s, yes.
Full-size spare.
Yes.
With the tire carrier on the back, hard top. And this has air conditioning too, right?
It does have airs.
Cool. Well, the whole reason Dale's here today is because we're going to do a project on this. So let me go ahead and get that out. Stay tuned. So Auxbeam was kind enough to reach out to me again and offer me this product. It is a new grill with kind of an integrated angry eyes. So we'll go ahead and get the box open. Pretty cool. This looks like it's going to be pretty simple to install, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the hardware and go from there. Looks like it has 4 attachment points, 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. Unfortunately, it didn't come with instructions, but it did come with the hardware, so might have to do a little modification to go around the electrical line for the winch. And it looks like, I think this grill is either painted or it's been plastic dipped. I think that was that way when you got it. So
Painted, yes.
yeah, it should go over the top of it. Oh, actually, it looks like that's going to clear the lines right there.
We'll just drill a couple of holes and bolt it in.
I love that. That's pretty cool.
Easy.
Yeah.
Right over the existing
Yep.
grill.
Reversible if you don't like it, or if you decide you want to change it. Comes off very easily so you can get to the headlights. Yeah.
Only have to drill one hole.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
Two holes were already existing in the radiator support for this Jeep. One is right there, and the second one is actually right here. There's a sticker over it, but the hole's right there. You just need to poke through the sticker.
Side's done. Take the ignition key and now the trick part.
Yeah, the trick part's going to be getting this one. Unfortunately, there's no access in the back, Dale.
None.
None. Unless you can get it through there slightly. Got it?
I'm not sure. I don't think the hole is. The angle on this wrench isn't allowing me to.
You need to remove more of that sticker so you can actually see it.
I can see it.
I mean, just center it, line it up perfectly.
Yeah, I just need a straight 10 millimeter. I think I have one. See that better.
Problem on this right side is there's not quite the same amount of access as there is here on the left side, but just getting the nut to line up. Is that working?
Perfectly.
Okay, great.
Just the angle of the wrench. Done.
Is this tight?
Yep.
Yep. Close the hood. Let's take a look at it.
Yeah, I'm not taking up much of your afternoon.
What do you think? You like it?
I like it.
Looks great.
It does.
Not a lot of money. I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely like to thank Auxbeam once again for sending out a product for me to try and install. And I think for the money, and this was not a lot of money, like I said, you'll have to look up the description because I think prices change slightly all the time. But definitely give it a try. This took maybe a total of 5 minutes to install and changes the whole front of the whole look of the Jeep in the front. So another project done. Thanks for bringing the Jeep by, Dale. And you guys let me know if you want to see more of this. As always, catch you on the flip side.